Hello guys, today we're gonna be building this website right here, security services. I'll show you how this looks right now. So yeah, that's the template we're gonna be building today. So the only thing I did is I got the pictures here. We have the index HTML and styles.css, and yeah, we can start. As always, we're gonna get the font awesome link, and we're gonna go to Google Fonts, get this thing at the bottom. And link the CSS. Let me make this a bit bigger for 1 second. We need to watch Sass again. And let's also grab the colors we're going to use. So now we can start building this. So as usual, we're going to start with the map. And under the top nav, we're going to have bottom nav with container again. So let's go get the links first. So we're going to name this icons. If the website loads, so let's see. So we need Facebook, Twitter, Dribble, and Behance. So those are the icons here, and then under the icons we're gonna have contact, and let's just do 2 anchor links. And here in our bottom nav, we're gonna have a logo and a menu. So we have, let's see, 8 of these. Our logo is gonna be a picture. Let's type this out. Let's open this with a live server here so you can see what's happening. And again, we're gonna add main here, main section. just so we can have the background. So let's add the global class for the container that we're going to be using. As you guys can see, everything is going to be in line with this nav. It's going to be the same container. So let's do main. Like so. And start the map. Then we have the top nav container and then the bottom nav container. Like that. Then let's start with the top nav right here. So under this, we'll just do top nav. Then we have icons and we have a contact. So we're gonna go. And under the icons, we want to have contact. Contact A. Like that. So we're also gonna have a border on, let's see, on top now. And we're gonna have some padding. This is gonna be a bit smaller. And we're gonna add hover. Like that. The icons are not gonna have hover, but they're gonna have some margin. Like that. We're gonna have a bit more padding, I think. We can fix that. And then under our top nav, here, we're gonna have our bottom nav. And here we have a logo and menu. So we're not styling the logo right here, we're gonna need menu. More margin, definitely, like 80 maybe. And we're also gonna add the same padding. Actually, let me see. Oh, we need more padding here. Let's do 16. Like that. This is gonna look much better once we add the overlay here inside the main. But let's see. Okay, they don't have hover anywhere. Let's make the logo. Let's add the overlay. Make this position right. And nav is gonna have seen like that. And then here under the overlay again, we're gonna have container. So let's see, we can do H3, H1, and paragraph. And the button. We're gonna add one line break here after this one. And the button is gonna say get started. So if we go back to our main, under the overlay, container. It's gonna be here. Then what else do we need? Let me see if they have more buttons first. No, so it's only that one, so we're not gonna make a global class for it, we're just gonna start it right here. Okay, so we have H3, H1, and a paragraph. I'm gonna add color white here. Oh, this needs position. Nice. Like that, maybe 400. Yeah. Then we have H1. Like that, 50 pixels. Some more margin, maybe 18. $22. And then our paragraph. We'll send some line height. And for the button, like so, make it a bit smaller. And we need some margin. like that. And let's see. So they have the transparent background and the border. So let's do border here. Like that. We have my transition here. Let's try that. Looks good. So let's go to our next section. We're gonna call that services. So we're also gonna have 3 cards here, but as usual we're gonna make one because most of them are the same, so we're just gonna add it later on. So let's do H1, H2 actually on a paragraph. And for the cards, let's see. We're gonna have card background and card info. And inside card info, we can have like H3 and paragraph. So that's our card right there. So let's go to services. This is the section we're doing now. Let's go back to CSS. So you can see everything. We have title. Like that. And we have a paragraph. Something like that. Then we're gonna have container and card. So under the title, and then for the card background, so I'm not sure which one it is, so let me check. So S1, S2 and S3. Like that. Actually this is gonna be smaller, maybe 220. Looks something like that. And then our card is gonna have a background. Like that. We can add some padding. A bit more, I think. 60. Not sure which one. around 20. And what else do we need here? Let me see. We need more cards, but let's style the text first. So we have card info, H3 and a paragraph. So under this, actually I'm gonna add some margin on paragraph. Like that. And then I don't think we need to change anything on H3, but we can either add some margin here, or I might do it on the card info. Let's do it here. More margin type 20. Something like that. And let's add a bit more padding to the card. So let's do it 24. Nice. And then our container is gonna have some padding top. Maybe a bit less, like that. And then let's add 2 more cards. So our second card, actually they all have the same paragraphs. The only thing that's different is the picture and the H3 here. If I could type. So we can add the card background, second background. And let's do third. Just so we can change the pictures here. So inside of this. Let's do, and then copy this. Like that. So we're gonna flex them out. Like that. Maybe make them a bit bigger, I'm not sure. To be 1.5, something like that. And also when we hover the card, we're gonna have a yellow background, and we're also gonna add a cursor to the whole card, like that. And card on hover. So right now this looks disgusting with no transition, but we're gonna add that right here. So this should look much better now. Maybe even more. Let's do 100. Yeah, I like this way more. So that's our offered services section. I think that's all they have here. So let's go to this one. And one more thing. I feel like the title is gonna be same on all of them. So instead of doing this right here, where is it, title and H1P, just remove it from there and add it here. This is gonna be a global class. Nothing's gonna change, but we can still use the title for other sections. I feel like I added a bit more space here, so let's do 120 for the section. Okay, let's do a section called features, right? Was it H2 and a paragraph? I'm pretty sure, yeah. So let's do that. Here, let's name these feature card. So we're gonna have heading and description, or just heading and one paragraph. Inside our heading class, we're gonna have an icon and an H3. And let's paste this in. And for the paragraph, like that. Let's get the icon. This website is so slow right now. Don't know what's happening. Like that. I think we didn't forget anything. Yeah, that should be all. And then let's style this is gonna be the same. The things we need to style is container and heading. Let's do features, container, heading. Actually, my bad. Feature card and then heading. Like that. So heading is gonna be and then our icon is gonna have some margin, right? Like 10 pixels. And also let's add some padding to the container this time. So let's do like that. So features is gonna have a gray background. And card is gonna have a white. Like that. We're also gonna add some padding. It has much more padding on the top and bottom. Let's see. What happened to my paragraph here? Feature card, P. Like that, but we definitely need more padding here. 28, and let's do 42. And then our paragraph is going to have some line height. Like that. Our H3 is fine. Let's see, what are we missing here? Let's do 44. So that's our card, it looks like. I didn't grab the box shadow, give me 1 second. If I can find it here. Actually, maybe we did box shadow, no? They look like they have box shadow, but I'm trying to find that, guys, so give me 1 second. Maybe it just looks like a box shadow, I don't see it. Let's see it here. Yeah, they definitely have some box shadow. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, I might not be able to find it right here. It's all good. So we need to add how much? 5 more cards. So feature, paste it 5 more times. So if we go back, feature card, so this is the second one. Just remove the H3. And the icon is going to be newspaper. This website is lagging so much right now. What did we change? Professional service. So here. Then our next card is gonna have phone. And the text is gonna be great support. Our next card here is gonna have rocket. Rocket. So this one. And the text is gonna be technical skill. Next card is gonna have an icon diamond. And the text is gonna be highly recommended. I'll just get this one. And the last one is gonna have a chat icon. And it's gonna have positive reviews here. So let's just find the icon here. This one, comments. So this is what we have for now. Then we're gonna go back to container. And we're gonna need some margin on the card. Boom, there it is. And we need hover. So let's see how that looks. And also let's add a cursor pointer and make this a 100. Looks like that. So what did I do here? I probably didn't add padding. So this is gonna be like 120, but here on the section. And then our container is only gonna have some padding top, so 80 pixels 000, like that. Probably less, maybe 60. Yeah, something like that. And that's our feature section. How do we call this? Let's call it clients, maybe. Yeah, let's do that. So and then we're gonna have 5 divs. I don't know how to name them. Let's just do numbers. So inside each number, we're gonna have. Actually, let's just remove this because I'm gonna copy paste again. So we're gonna have like H2 and a paragraph. And we need to copy this 4 more times. We'll just copy the text from here. That's 2. Actually, we have 5, so we'll need 1 more. So let's copy this 1 more. So the 4th one. Like that. Actually, that goes before. So that's all we're gonna have for this section. So clients, container, and numbers. So let's go here. Something like that, it looks like. And then we have H2 and a paragraph. So H2 is going to be bigger. Maybe even 700. Yeah. Actually, can we do more? Gold. That's 700, and then the paragraph is going to be a bit smaller. We're going to have some margin. We can do it here. That actually just for the top. This looks way bigger. Let's do, I don't know, 4. Definitely bigger. And my music stopped. 1 second. So something like that. I'm not sure if the paragraph is a different color or not. I don't think it is. So that's the section we're doing right now. Then we're gonna have a gallery section. we're gonna have title again, which is with H2 and paragraph. Start with that first. So we're also gonna need one line break. Let me see where this is. Right here. That's what we have. And inside our container, as you guys can see here, we're gonna have, let's see, 7 pictures. We're just gonna do image times 7. They're gonna look good or not. We might change this to backgrounds in CSS, but we'll see. How did I name them? Just B1, B2, I think, or not. I see B4. So B1 to B4. We actually, no. It's not that at all. So I have to go one by one then. Let's see. So the first one is G1, then G2. Let's do those first. So G1, G2, let's do that here. Then we have, let's see, G3, G4. Oh, they are, okay, never, my bad. That. Let's go back to the actual website. So first thing, we're gonna add some padding. Like that. Then our container. So now we're gonna make each picture like 31%, except last two, like they have here, they're gonna be a bit bigger. So let's do image. Actually, why do they look like that? Let me see. Maybe I need to add them a certain height here. This looks bad, we might switch it to background. To 20. And let's do child 1 and child 7. Do first of type and last of type. Okay, so it's gonna be bigger, let's see. Actually, they can be like 32. This one need to be bigger. So how big is this gonna be? like 60 maybe, 64. And then they're gonna have some margin, 266. I feel they're closer. Yeah, that looks more like it. Actually, second child and sixth child look a bit bigger. So let's do this. Let's do it here. So this is gonna be like, let's see. And this needs to be around like 56, 57. That, maybe on 58. Yeah, looks more like it, and then padding margin is gonna be like 12. Feel like we need a bit more height, let's do 230. Then let's add a cursor pointer. We got our gallery here. Then we're gonna have a blog section. We're also gonna have one line break here again. Like that. Let's see our blog card. So I can't really see my second screen. Does this have? Yeah, this is gray, definitely gray background. That's all I needed. So for the blog card, we're gonna have so blog background is only gonna have a picture on it. Blog button, actually not blog button. How do I name this? Blog date. Let's do that. No, data date. We have blog info with like H3. I think we copy this. And inside the description, we're gonna have, let's see. We're just gonna have 2 paragraphs. So we need the heart icon. And we are gonna have 15 weeks. It's gonna be 2 comments. This one is gonna be, I'm gonna find it here because the website is so laggy. This is gonna be the next item. And that is our whole card right here. So let's see, where do we start? We don't need to start the title because we have that as a global class. But there's an issue here. The title is closed here instead of here before container. So do we have everything? Container, blog card, yeah. Let's go inside here, blog. Like that, padding. And let's add padding for container right now. It's much easier to work on this way. So first of all, I'm gonna try to add the image here. Let's see how that looks. This is a dog picture, so B1. Yeah, this is gonna look fine. So we have block card, block background. Like that. Then we have blog date with only one span. So inside of it. So we don't need to do it on span, we're just gonna do it on this, I think. Let's see. Not on span. So it has, let's see, it has more padding on the side. Something like that. Doesn't have any color. So after the blog date, we have blog info, with H3 and paragraph. Let's see, maybe a bit smaller. Oh, we have 4 cards. We can't make them 31. This is gonna be like 23, maybe max. That's why it looked weird. Never mind. And there goes the music again. I think my internet has some issues right now. Doesn't really matter. So let's see, what else do we need here? Last line. We're gonna add some margin. Like that, maybe a bit smaller. Nice, and then we have a paragraph. Mm, 1.4, I think. And what's last here? Inside the blog info, we have description with a paragraph and icon. Is my music back? Oh, it's back. Nice. So let's see if 16. Actually, instead of this, I'm just gonna add some margin here. Look like it's the same space. So let's do 14 pixels and then 10. Like that. So let's see what do they have on hover. But also let's add 3 more cards. So block card. So if we go back here, this is our second card. This is gonna be B2, B2. Everything else is exactly the same, so we only need to change the pictures. So B3 and B4. And then we go back to container. Like that. And then on hover, we're gonna have a few things. So hover, we're gonna have, where is it? Login for H3. Log card on hover. Yellow. Like that, we're gonna make the whole card pointer. We're gonna add some transition, I think here. Like that. And we're also gonna have some transition on the picture. So that's gonna be block background and an image. So when we hover the card, we're gonna have block background. I'm not gonna get the same effect right here. This is gonna look weird. The only thing you need to do to fix this is add an overflow hidden. So now it's still weird without transition, but we're gonna fix that really fast. So on image here, actually we can just copy the transition we had. But instead of this, I'm not sure if it's transform or scale. We'll try both. It might be scale. Huh. Transform. Why does it look so weird when you go back? What did we do here? A width of 100%. This is how it should look, but it somehow goes outside. Oh, we added overflow hidden on the hover. Why I'm being stupid, sorry. Like that. Not on the block card. Being stupid again. Block background. So like that. We can do like 1.5. Position 1000 here and here. So every time you hover the card anywhere, this is what you get. Sorry guys, I can't think right now. And the only part that's left is the footer. Our first box is gonna have H2 and 2 paragraphs. Paragraph. We need to get symbols. Oh man, copyright. $20.19. Website is made with and then icon heart. Make this a bit bigger right now. Like that. And then where's the website? So we're gonna put color lip. We're gonna add like that. So that's gonna be our first card. Then our second card, our box, is gonna have H2, P, and D. Let's move these like this. So let's get the H2 first. Paragraph. We don't need name and ID, we only need placeholder. The button. Oh, the button is only gonna have an arrow right as the icon. And last card is going to have H2, P, and 4 icons. And I'm pretty sure we added these icons, so it's Facebook, Twitter, so you guys can copy these, they're all the same. We got our 3 cards. Let's go to the footer. Like that. Let's just add color white for now. See the text here. And then we have container box. Like that, and the last one is gonna be like maybe 14%. Actually, let's do 18. Let's do 35. Mess with these values, I'm not really sure. We'll see. Let's just leave it at 35 for now. Music is done, right? So let's go to box H2. A bit bigger, maybe 19 pixels and more margin, 18. Oh, we don't need the line item center, just realized that. Even more margin, let's do 22. So our paragraphs are also going to be the same, so let's download those. Like that, we need the line height. .6, and inside the paragraph we have an anchor link, so just inside. And we have the icon inside the paragraph as well. Like so. So we need some, what's the name? We need some margins here, so box and child 1. First apply. Margin bottom. More, so let's do 32. Like that, maybe even more, it looks like 38. Okay. And let's try the font weight on a paragraph here. like that. And line height 1.7. So box, and then we have email, input, and anchor link. So inside the email, this might be too big, we'll see. Like that. Let's see, 13. And then the bottom. I'm going to use flex here, we'll see. I don't think we'll use line items, but yeah. And we need a bit more. This color white. What else do we need here? We need some margin on input. So we definitely need. Actually, we don't. Instead, yep. And then here we have icons and then I side. So box, inside the box here. Margin, right? Actually, I might even do flex here. Definitely, no. Remove flex. Right, like 12. Yeah. And then padding, we're gonna add some padding as we have on email. And then on hover, and let's add a cursor, pointer. And I think that's everything. We're gonna check it. Yeah, I wanted to fix the border here. This is not the right color, definitely. So let me get the border color real fast. Where is it? Is it here? Can't find it. Give me 1 second, guys. Oh, this is. I'll copy this color on the top here so you guys can see. So let's call this border color. So this is the color. And then where do we have that? Here. So that's our main page. Our services. So services is gonna have, let's fix that. So find services here. Our container is gonna have like 80 pixels. Heading 7.20. Everything else looks fine. Features looks good. Clients looks fine. This is the gallery here. This is the blog. and this is the footer. So yeah, we're done with this website, guys. Thank you everyone for watching again. Have a good day and see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.